Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're making a classic spaghetti dish that's both simple and delicious. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Spaghetti pasta, salt, olive oil, 1 can of tomato sauce or homemade marinara sauce, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced optional ground beef or Italian sausage, Parmesan cheese, and fresh basil or parsley. Step 1. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add a generous amount of salt to season the pasta. Once the water is boiling, add the spaghetti. Cook according to the package instructions, usually 8 to 10 minutes for al dente. Give it a stir now and then to prevent sticking. While the pasta cooks, let's prepare the sauce. In a pan, heat some olive oil. Sauté chopped onion and minced garlic until the onion becomes translucent. If you're using meat, add it now. Cook until it's browned. Add the tomato sauce. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Season with salt and pepper. You can also add your favorite herbs like basil or oregano for extra flavor. Drain the cooked pasta and return it to the pot. Pour the sauce over the pasta and toss until everything is well coated. Time to serve. Plate your spaghetti and top with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh basil or parsley. And there you have it, a delicious spaghetti dinner ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes.